So just got off of work here, and tomorrow's the trip. I've never really done this before, so we'll see how it goes. I've got pretty much everything packed. It'll be a good time. Got some camera gear here. Got my saddlebags all ready to go. My rain gear and clothes are in here. I got extra clothes, water, my camping tarp, and that one, extra bungee cords. This is some more charging equipment for my tank bag, GoPros, all that. And here's my camping book bag. Tent strapped on the bottom there. Got some backup food in there. Everything I'll need for my camping. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna pack everything on the bike. I think it'll be a little easier. Really don't feel like putting all that stuff sitting out there for 12 hours, so just do it tomorrow morning. Won't be a big deal. I gotta practice taking it off and on anyway, so. But what I do have to do now is put on my windshield that just arrived just in time the day before. Better late than never. Hopefully this won't take me too long. There's really not much to it. Just a couple of brackets. Not bad.
1 hour later. Two hours later. Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Looks good to me. I think it'll do the trick. Definitely keep me a little bit drier if I start getting rain down. That'll do.
There is a large threat of severe weather that's going to unfortunately stick around well into the weekend, and you need to pay attention, especially if you're going to be traveling in an area you're unfamiliar with. Here's a look at the expected threats for Saturday, including a few tornadoes, but damaging winds, large hail, frequent lightning, and yes, the threat of flooding for these areas. You can see where locations across Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, and Georgia, and even stretching up into portions of Tennessee and the Western Carolinas are going to be very active with the similar threats that we talked about for Saturday.
All right, it's 5 a.m. I gotta go pack up the bike now. Check the rain. I think I'm gonna get hit as expected tomorrow, but today is looking pretty good. I think I'll be dry today. Managed to move some things around, and I put my motorcycle tarp in my saddlebag, so just in case if I have to stop and park and run inside, I could just throw it over the whole bike with everything still on the bike, and everything will stay dry. So see if I need it. Hopefully not, but it's there just in case. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and pack everything up and get rolling. Go.
I'm a symbol of madness. You're a lover of the tragic. Do you need to know more? I'm a blur of the fine line. You're a drop to the moonlight. Do you really need to go home? No, you don't wanna be alone. Don't wanna see me go. Don't roll your eyes. Just leave things at the door. Drag your feet across the floor.